used to say we're meant to be. I can't feel the hunger in your touch. Used to tell me I'm all you need. It's hard to stay, leaving hurts. I'm not sure which one is the worst. 'Cause tonight I hold the love I used to know. Listen to a heart letting go. Just how long it's been I can't recall, since I felt the warmth of your kiss, and all the little things you used to do, all the things that I already miss. It's hard to stay, leaving her. I'm not sure which one is the worst. 'Cause tonight I hold the love I used to know. Listen to a heart letting go. Stay, leaving hurts. I'm not sure which one is the worst. 'Cause tonight I hold the love I used to know. Listen to a heart letting go. Yeah, tonight I hold the love I used to know. Listen to a heart letting go. Heart letting go.
Hi there, how are you? Today we are doing the dance Heart Let It Go. 32 counts, 4 walls, slow cha-cha. There's a tap of 4 counts happens at the end of wall 2, visit 6 o'clock. Now the dance. First section, raising the left, stopping your right side, step, 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 behind, quarter, back half, coaster step, forward cha-cha. Next section, step forward, swirl, quarter cross, side together, side. Cross, step back half, flip behind, step, lock, step. Next section, cross rock, recover, quarter, half, quarter, stop, step, step, forward, forward, cha-cha. Last section, step forward, rock, recover, quarter, cross, side together, side, which fall into one of the new wall. Now count 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and there's the tap of 4 counts happens at the end of wall 2, visit 6 o'clock and the steps. So right, left, and it started in War 1. So this is the whole dance. Hope you like it. I will see you next time.